Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure and welcome to the new update on Gains Network. As in my previous videos of Gains Network, I've been showing you that it has formed a very big down channel. And when I shared my last video at that time, after breaking out that big down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And I was telling you that now from here, we can expect a massive reversal after a successful retest of the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line, after a retest, you can see we had a price accumulation above this resistance, and it has been using this level as a support. And finally, the price line geared up and rallied very well, moved very close to the next very long-term resistance of $6.50 that had been previously breaking as a support here for several weeks. And the price line again moved down and now it is testing this long-term support of $4.60. And also it has tested this long-term support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. At the same time, it has also found another support and resistance. Like here we have this uptrend line support. You can see we had a bounce here, we had stable touch points here, another bounce here, and here we got the resistance, and this is the formation of another up channel. And right now you can see after testing the support of this up channel, the pricing is again geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Gains Network that I shared, by the way, in the month of October 2023, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Gains Network was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. Therefore, I told my members that we can expect some more drop, and once it will be entered within this price range, then we can expect the next reversal to the upside. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. At first, it dropped down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal. And this was almost 26% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Gains Network. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously, since after the month of Feb 2023, you can see it was moving inside this very big down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, you can see at the same time the price and also broke out this red line. That is the exponential moving average 21. You can see that since it was appeared here in the month of July 2023, it was breaking as a very strong resistance. And now it is breaking as a nice support. You can see after getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance of this up channel, the price line again moved down and tested the support of this EMA 21 and also tested the support of the channel. We had a long spike to the downside, and also we have tested the support of $4.60, a quite long-term support that was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here. And now for the past several weeks, it is again breaking as a support. By the way, here it was also breaking as a resistance. This time, the resistance of the channel will be somewhere here, approximately at $7. And before that, we will need to break out these two major resistance levels. One is here at $5.40, and after that, the next one will be here at $6.50. In case of breaking out this up channel, the target to the upside can be here. For example, if we will break it out from here, that will be approximately at $11.60. That is also the target for this breakout from this down channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.